You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.
First of all, thank you to all my faculties from first year till now final year for me making us, inspiring us and guiding us that what we are today. You are not only our teacher, you are also our friend, authority and guide, all rolled up in one person. We will always be grateful for your support and kindness. Thank you, ma'am.
Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. I took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh.
Thank you to my teachers. You have made a great successful in all our years in our studies. கைட் பண்ணதுக்காக, நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு மெண்டாராக இருந்ததுக்காக, ஒவ்வொரு டீச்சர்ஸும் ஒவ்வொரு விதத்தில் யூ ஹாவ் ஹெல்ப்ட் அஸ் அ லாட் டு கம்ப்ளீட் அவர் கோர்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ மேம்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ எவ்ரி ஒன். With my hearty wishes, I thank each and every one of us. Many of us out now, remembering those teachers also. They have made us a glad one here to represent you all. Thank you so much, madams. Thank you.
I'm like a princess, always gotta keep my head up. You can see my head down, know I call it bad luck. I don't care about others, I'm my very own idol. And my lines stay holy like the scriptures in the Bible. I'm a classy little girl, Louis V's my daddy. Donatella's my mommy, got a pet named Gucci. I'm the kind of girl, I'm from the bottom, reached out to the mass with traction. Now I got my own puzzle, I'm a talking, my looks not walking. Superstar swag, you know I be rocking. Now I'm the underdog, I could give a molecule. Nothing about the girl, I'm fully wrong. Cause I got my talking, my looks not walking. Superstar swag, you know I be rocking. Now I'm the underdog, I could give a molecule. Nothing about the girl, I'm fully wrong.
Stylish தமிழச்சி, இளஞ்சிப்புள்ள English தமிழ் கட்சி. என் தேகத்திலே Spanish நிறம் காட்சி. தேடித்திருக்கின்ற Irish இவனச்சி. அரபிக் தமிழச்சி, யார் எனக்கும் மேலே இல்லை. நான் நடைய முடியாயலை. இந்த உலகத்தில் உயரத்தில் கவர்ச்சிக்கார நான்.
I'm here to thank all my lovely teachers who have been there for us from first year till now. You teachers are very supportive for us and keep us engaged in our studies and curriculum activities in a good manner. And your love and caring towards us is like a second parent. And I'm also thankful for the teachers who are not here now. I'm not having an exact word to express my thankfulness. Teachers are like a candle which burns itself to light up others. I wish you the same to all teachers to give your light for the students, upcoming students to shine in their future. At last, I'm thankful for your guiding us, inspiring us and making us what we are today. Thank you.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say,
Respected Principal Ma'am and all teachers, I want to use this moment to thank all those teachers who have prepared us to compete the world. Our teacher is a symbol of our strength and is a great support base of all of us. They are strict in the form of father and love as a mother and taking care as like a friend. Our teachers are wonderful women because of them who we are now. They are accepted as motivated and encouraged to support all our weakness and help to work out and made us to shine and made us to a light. Thank you so much, ma'am, and we miss you, ma'am.
hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. And I felt all of the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart feel like an ember and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, and you know I'll never drop. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey.
So capable due to your love, care, guidance and support. All our teachers have been the source of inspiration for us. Being a teacher is a big job, not limited to only a few hours of teaching in this classroom, but it is much more than those hours. You tried to inspire us all through a focused approach in dreaming and achieving those dreams and goals. This is the best college. I am glad that I have studied here. We have learned a lot of things here. We will cherish these college memories throughout our life. I would like to say thank you once again to respected our principal madam, all my teachers and friends to be a part of a wonderful journey. Thank you so much.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. Memories bring back your. Memories bring back your.
She is a fantasy. Sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony. Sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. and they've forgiven my mistakes.
Situationல without any other go I would have been harsh to you. திட்டிருப்பேன் உங்களை திட்டிருப்பேன் திட்டிருந்தேன்னா சாரி அது நாட் பர்பஸ்ஃபுல்லி டன் சரியா பண்ணியிருப்பேன் டோன்ட் மிஸ்டேக்.
Very good morning to our respected principal ma'am, dear teachers and my dear childrens. Hope all are doing good and safe. I received a call from Thanksgiving batch to be a part of this occasion. I am very happy to join with you today. Okay, sparing few words about the Thanksgiving batch. I didn't had much interaction with your batch during your first year and second year, but I heard a lot about you through our Subbulakshmi ma'am. When you all enter into third year, I had a good time with you all during theory classes and pediatric practicum along with our pediatric team, Madam Subbulakshmi and Kripa. We had wonderful breastfeeding week celebration and nutritional week celebration along with CHRI. You all are very talented that you showcased in your model preparation and presentation. Subbu ma'am will speak much about this. Apart from this, everything, you are very good batch with lots of innovative ideas. I appreciating each and every one of you and continue the same till your life end. Congratulations and all the very best to each children or each child to step into the real nursing profession from student life. Thank you very much to our principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity to part of this occasion. Thank you ma'am. Thank you my dear friends and dear children. Once again all the very best. All of you are please be safe and take care. Miss you all. Thank you.
So lost, I'm faded. So lost, I'm faded. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you Where are you now? At Venice, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost.
Thank you, teachers, for encouraging us to do many activities along with the studies and to utilize our time more efficiently. Thank you for everything, teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers, for giving your extra time to explain each and everything clearly.
Thank you, teachers, for creating positivity within us.
Thank you, teachers, for making us to grow in our day-to-day life.
Thank you, teachers, for giving your extra time to display each and everything really. Thank you, teachers, for making online learning fun.
Thank you, teachers, for encouraging us in our studies.
Thank you, teachers, for making us united and even during taking class in this pandemic situation.
ஹாய் மேம், நாங்கள் ஃபைனல் இயர் முடிக்க போகிறோம். இப்போ நாங்கள் பிஃபோர் நிறையா பிளான் பண்ணோம். தேங்க்ஸ் கிவிங் வந்து நல்லா வெயிட்டாக செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணலாம், நல்லா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணலான்னு. பட் இந்த கொரோனா பேண்டமிக்னால ஆன்லைனில் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. என்னால் எங்களால் எவ்வளோ பெஸ்ட்டாக பண்ண முடியும் அவ்வளோ பெஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணுறோம் மேம். நாங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட் இயரில் வந்து எதுவுமே தெரியாமல் தான் வந்தோம். நான் அப்படி தான் மேம் வந்தேன். இப்போ வந்து பரவாயில்ல, ஓரளவுக்கு ஷைனாக இருக்கும் மேம். வார்ட்லேயும் சரி கிளாஸ்லேயும் சரி நிறையா சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. நாங்கள் டவுட் எவ்வளோ கேட்டாலும் கிளியர் பண்ணுறீங்க. நாங்களே வேணான்னாலும் நீங்களும் வாலண்டியாக சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. நிறையா எங்களுக்காக நீங்களும் ஸ்லைட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நிறையா சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஃபஸ்ட் இயர்லேருந்து லாஸ்ட் இயர் ஃபைனல் இயர் வரையும் நாங்கள் ரொம்ப நிறைய தப்பு பண்ணியிருக்கோம் மேம். ஈவன் அதுலேயும் நீங்கள் எங்களை ப்ராப்பர் வேயில் கைட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. அதுலேயும் எங்கள் மிஸ்டேக்கை சரி செஞ்சு ஒரு நல்ல வழியில் கொண்டு போயிருக்கீங்க. இப்போ நாங்கள் ஃபைனல் இயர் முடிக்க போகிறோம். எங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சு நாங்கள் நிறையா மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணியிருப்போம். பட் இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டாக நாங்கள் இருப்போம் மேம். நாங்கள் முடிச்சு போனதுக்கப்புறமும் நாங்கள் நல்ல ஃபீல்டில் இருப்போம்னு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை இருக்குது மேம். இப்போ வி ஃபீல் ப்ரவுட் டு பி a nurse. We feel proud to be a Chetnadians. Thank you, ma'am.
We batch of 2016-17 so grateful and thankful for all the faculties of CCN, and we feel proud that who we are now. This is all because of all the faculties of CCN who stands behind us and who guided and taken us to the steps forward in our life, and we feel so proud to be a product of Chettinad. Thank you, ma'am.
We